วัสดีค่ะ I'm here at Lana Constantine's house. She is a mint fanatic, a mom, a herb and spice lover. So let's go tie things up. Ooh, pretty sound. Hi! Hi, Lana!
Hi, Nikky.
So good to see you.
Nikki, I'm so excited to have you in my kitchen.
It's so beautiful.
Thank you.
The main star.
The main star.
I'm so excited.
What do we have in the fridge?
I'm like, ooh, look at that. Okay, I'm curious. What are these beautiful things?
All right, we like to pick some Middle Eastern. We
Okay.
like all things pickled. So we've got pickled turnips.
Turnips.
And with beet
Juice.
to make the color.
So pretty.
And then here we have pickled ginger.
Who made these?
My mom.
Okay, we have to try them.
We have some Middle Eastern breads.
Which I've never had before.
So this is manouche, and this is with manouche, and it's with za'atar. And za'atar is thyme and sesame seed.
This looks so much fun. And then when I walked in, I saw this beautiful basket of herbs.
Yeah, so I am taking an entrepreneurial journey with Gardenuity, and so we do container gardens, and we've got some Thai basil, purple
basil. Ooh,
regular
mint,
and mint,
regular basil.
lemongrass.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
So I was introducing you as the herb and spice lover.
That I am.
Let's play with some
Okay.
your favorite spices.
I'm gonna show you some of my favorite spices. I've got a lot. I've got a lot.
Oh my God, you sure do.
And
Wow, you
bring
win the
in-
spice
Well, I'm
award.
like old lady award too because I recycle jars. So some bay leaves from Sri Lanka, some za'atar from Jordan.
Okay. I see some chili,
You see
dried
some
chili.
chili.
Can you grab that for me
You
too?
can grab that too.
Okay. This is so exciting. So now that we have all of our beautiful spices and herbs,
Yes,
I'm so excited.
they smell delicious.
They do.
So good.
What I was really inspired by was this,
The manouche.
the manouche.
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 Yeah, which is like a flat bread with za'atar. So good.
So good. And then making some type of a spiced peanut curry with the chicken, and then topping it off with like something that I'm so used to, and I'm assuming it's Middle Eastern.
Like a tzatziki, but we're gonna spice it up Thai style.
Oh,
How about
okay. I like that. So let's get rolling. What do you want to put in your yogurt sauce?
Thai basil.
Thai basil.
Purple basil because it's a pretty
So
color.
pretty.
And then fresh mint
Yes.
for Asian mint.
Aw, thanks. How you want to chop?
We're gonna chop.
Look at you.
I got tools.
Okay, this
can
is
choose
so
this
fun.
one.
I want you to use this one.
Or we could go scissors.
Scissors.
I like my tools.
Let's do this
Okay,
tool.
we'll do the mandolin. Ready?
I'm just gonna cut the cucumber with this like a simple knife. Is that okay?
So sad for you.
Okay, cubing, I'm assuming.
Cubing. Let's cube it.
Well, cubing.
Thinly, though.
Thinly.
I mean, not giant cubes.
Not giant cubes. Okay, where did you find something like this? From in here, not like you didn't import it from somewhere
I
else.
think I got this at Sur La Table.
Okay, I do love that store.
I do
It's
too.
very dangerous. I want to make sure that you're going to improve my cube size.
I love it.
Okay.
It's perfect.
It's beautiful. Tell me a little bit more about these spices that you picked, because I want to infuse the palam long song, which is this peanut curry
Yeah.
thing I'm going to make, with some of your spices.
Okay, so I travel abroad to Jordan.
Where you're from?
Where my family's from,
No.
probably once a year. And we're like those people that come back and you can smell us arriving at the airport. And when they ask you, are you bringing anything in? And we say no, but you can still smell it. But spices are totally allowed.
Yes, they are. Yes, they are. I know that rule very, very well, because us Asians do the same thing.
Yeah. I got it from Jordan, but it's actually, this is like Sri Lankan bay leaf.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna put this in. We ready?
I am so ready, and that is so pretty.
Now you tell me how much is too much.
I don't think there is.
I'm from like a, culture of more is more.
More is more. Let's do it.
I'm gonna mix that in. Probably put a little bit of salt.
Okay.
So we're just gonna sprinkle some salt in there.
I love the salt you use. You use this like beautiful.
the flaky,
Yes.
beautiful sea salt. And this is Greek yogurt.
Do I throw all this cucumber in there for
Let's
you?
throw it in there. And then we're Middle Eastern, so we put garlic in almost
Yes, please.
everything. So I'm just gonna have to put a little smidgen
I want to
of
see
garlic.
what a smidge of yours look like.
Just a
Oh, that is
smidge.
a smidge.
Just a
Okay,
smidge.
that's a
Otherwise, it
smidge.
becomes overwhelming. Mm-hmm. Do we
Oh,
want to
did you want to
try?
put this in there?
I don't know. What do you
What do
think?
you think? Well, I mean, right now it's just yogurt.
It's just yogurt.
Here, this is how we're gonna taste it out. It's like sour on sour.
Is it too sour?
No,
Yeah, I kind of like it.
I do too.
I'm feeling it.
Okay, you go at it.
We did to put the purple basil, so it only makes sense that
That's
we
right, purple on purple.
add more. Nikki, it's wine o'clock.
Let's do it.
Best way to cook.
Cheers to life.
friend.
Yay!
What do you say for cheers in Thailand?
Chayo.
Chayo.
Chayo. So yum.
So good.
Okay.
Okay, we can move those to the side. Yeah, we'll just keep drinking.
it. Okay, here we go. Let's start cooking. Oil.
Okay.
I'm putting you in charge.
I'm ready.
Don't put that down.
I'm ready.
So I want to bloom the spices that you have picked out.
Okay, question. Sesame seed, how fast does it burn in oil?
As I
Something
turn
so-
the fire down.
Yeah. Something to think about.
I think it's fine, but I normally bloom spices.
Okay,
Do
so-
you bloom spices?
Yes.
When you okay?
Do you like bloom with also garlic,
Garlic,
ginger?
yes. So, ooh, okay, that's pretty. That's pretty. Oh, yes, yes. Garlic. And now I want to play with this because I've never had saffron powdered form. Now that
You know
has
I
a
have
lot
everything. I got
of flavor.
the threads too, so.
Okay, should we bay leaf it?
Bay leaf it. Why
Bay
not?
leaf it. And
Summer.
then these chilies you got.
Sri Lankan
I'm
bay
just
leaves.
throwing everything in.
Just throw it in. I love it.
Oh, it's so pretty.
I could just bathe in the smell.
Let's add more of this. And I did taste it. It wasn't, too strong for me. Since we're gonna be adding quite a lot of chicken.
And when I use this, I'm telling you, I do like 2 humongous heaping.
Should we just-
we can.
Let's do it.
Go for it.
I love it. Okay, now we're talking. Here we go.
Oh,
A red
and I
curry
love the
paste.
red curry paste.
So I'm putting in the huacati, which is mostly the coconut fat or the coconut oil
The best
part.
part.
The best part, yes. And then you have all that coconut water on the bottom. You scoop that down very
Yeah.
gently. It's gonna be so yummy.
Okay, another question.
I'm ready.
When you like cube versus like thinly sliced.
So I was thinking cube because we're eating it with the bread. Slicing is normally, we do a lot of slicing.
Yeah.
Actually, we don't use a lot of cube chicken. Trying to go a little Middle Eastern. I'm thinking like the
Yeah.
kebab.
Yeah. 100%.
So yeah, slicing, easy, faster cooking, as well as it just eats really well with rice. I
Yes,
think.
it does.
Yeah, that's such a good question. Okay, now I'm gonna add the peanut butter. I was thinking peanut sauce. It's
Peanut
not a sauce yet.
Peanut butter.
Peanut butter. Then this is not traditional in this particular dish. They normally just add peanuts.
But we're adding both.
We're adding everything here.
Like we're Middle Eastern here tonight. We're the Middle Eastern mashup, so more is
yes, more is more. That's our theme of this episode.
Okay.
So what I added was a little bit of our, not a little bit, I did a pretty good amount of our stir fry sauce. Here, you taste.
Okay.
Okay, that's really good.
So good.
I'm stopping.
I would maybe put a little. Just
Which
saying,
one? Which one?
a little bit more coconut milk or something.
Okay.
Only because it's a little salty.
It is salty. I wanted to add a little more pad thai sauce to add sweetness to it.
We can do that.
Just a little bit more. And it totally goes in with like this, the color.
So I would maybe. I'm not saying we're gonna do that today.
I would. You want
but
to?
I would probably throw like a cauliflower.
Cauliflower,
or something
yes.
in it.
Do you have that?
I do.
Okay, let's get some. We're adding cauliflower.
1 hour later.
Chopped veggies at the ready.
Chopped veggies at the ready. Okay, I'm ready to add.
We're just gonna add.
Let's add it.
More is more.
More is more. That is our theme.
It's our theme.
Okay, I'm so excited. Now that we added more veg, you want to add more spice?
Sure.
I'm gonna dump it all in at this point.
We just more.
More is more. More is more. We have now used it all. Okay, I think we're done with this. You ready to ensemble Ensemble?
Assemble.
Assemble. Thank you. English is not my first language.
All right, ready?
We're ready to plate
I'm gonna
this.
dish out.
I'm gonna see how you're gonna do this.
I feel like I'm gonna put it on the side. I'm gonna on the side.
Okay. These are from your mom.
Those are from mommy. It might be the best thing ever.
so
It's my
good.
favorite snack.
Probiotics.
Right?
I taste it.
It's like in lieu of kimchi and
This is your
kombucha and all of that. This is what I have.
Okay, now I have to try this one.
It's good for a
Yes.
turnip, right? It's
Yeah.
an interesting way to eat a turnip.
On
It's gonna
it.
be messy.
It's gonna be so
Don't make
good.
fun of it. I have it like all over my face.
That's the whole goal. Oops. More is more. More is more. More is falling off.
Oh my God, it's so good. East meets Middle East,
Mm-hmm.
right?
For sure. This is so
I
good.
have
I
food all
can't
over
stop
my face.
eating. Okay.
Ready?
Cheers to life.
And more is more.
And more is more. Thank you everyone for watching. Please follow, subscribe, like, comment. Tell me what you think about what we did today because I think it's really fun. And until next time, ขอบคุณค่ะ
The Thai takeover was so fun. What we learned is more, and Middle Eastern spices and Thai mixed together phenomenally. I love trying new flavor profiles and different recipes, but I love how Nikky starts with really getting the essence of the spices out at the very beginning, and then really adding and figuring out, okay, we need a little bit more coconut milk. We need a little bit more of this. Don't be afraid to just dump in all the smack, and we really build on flavors. And sometimes I think you can be afraid as a home cook to build on a flavor and really stick to one way of doing it. And I love just building, and we kept building and building. And then I said, let's just add a veggie. Let's try adding this. And so Nikky made me more adventurous. I would tell everybody to have Nikky over for a Thai takeover because Nikky is positive, fun, so much energy. I had a blast.